Hey, what's up guys, hope you're all doing well. So today in this video we'll talk about the top 5 reasons that makes this Galaxy S24 Ultra still usable in 2026. So starting off with the display, so it has the 6.8-inch AMOLED display and with the 2600 of peak brightness. Also, it has this 120Hz of refresh rate. You can also switch between the 60Hz or the 120Hz. And this 120Hz is really helpful in the case of gaming. As you guys can see, you can play the games on ultra extreme on different games. It comes with a Corning Gorilla Glass armor which reduces the 75% of reflection instead of that regular glass. It also has this anti-reflective coating, and the best part about this Galaxy S24 Ultra is this S Pen. And I really like this S Pen with this flat display. That is now missing with the Galaxy S25 series that has that curved display. Now the second thing is the performance. So it comes with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with a 12GB of RAM with the standard 256GB of storage. So in my usage, I am using this device for more than a year and I have never faced any kind of lag with any kind of app. I have played multiple games on this device, but I have never faced any kind of lag with this device. Even the opening and closing of different apps is a lot smoother than the previous devices. As you guys can see, I will open multiple apps at once now, but you will see that there is no lag at all. All thanks to this Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor with the 12GB of RAM. Further, if you talk about the software support, so it will support 7 years of software, so it will be not outdated at all. For now, it is on the latest One UI 8.0 with the January 2026 security patch. And soon, it will also get the One UI 8.5 update. That will be released with the Galaxy S26 series, so that means that you can enjoy the Galaxy S26 features in your Galaxy S24 Ultra as well. Now if you talk about the camera, so it has the 200 megapixel of main sensor with the 50 megapixel of periscope telephoto which is 5x optical and 10 megapixel of telephoto 3x optical and 12 megapixel of ultra wide camera. So you can also get 100x of zoom with this phone. The camera on this device is really good. You can also install the Expert RAW app to get this astrophotography shots, or you can enjoy the Expert RAW features as well. These both images are captured with the Galaxy S24 Ultra with the Expert RAW in astrophotography mode. If you talk about the design, so different people have different thoughts on this design, but I really like the design of this boxy feel. As you guys can see, it has this really good grip in hand. I really like the flat screen display and the boxy design screen on this phone. It is really good for the S Pen usage. Talking about the S Pen, so you can also connect this S Pen wirelessly on this device, which is missing in the Galaxy S25 series. And that's a wrap for today's video. These were some of the top 5 reasons that makes this Galaxy S24 Ultra still usable in 2026. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Also, let me know that are you planning to buy this phone in 2026 or you will wait for the Galaxy S26 series. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe as I will keep you updated with the new upcoming updates.